Hi, my name is Ethan Irvin. I have a Bachelor's of Science in Integrative Biology. I'm a Class 1 EPA operator certified at the Mattoon Wastewater Treatment Plant. And I've been asked to talk a little bit about how leachate from our local landfill is treated. So what happens is the leachate that's collected at the landfill is brought to us in a tanker truck, maybe 2 or 3 a month. But it's only brought to us after it has passed certain testing requirements. They test for a variety of heavy metals, lead, mercury, and things like that. So once it comes to us, it gets treated pretty much like standard residential sewage. There are a variety of physical and biological treatment processes, sedimentation, some filtration, and also the biological process to remove any of the biological oxygen demand possible to be removed from it. And then at that point, it is sent out of the plant along with the rest of the wastewater as a very good clean effluent.